Downloading means receiving data. Which device connect a computer to the internet? Modem. Which term is related to email? Inbox. Facebook's an example of भाई ये तो आपको आना चाहिए क्योंकि आप बार बार इस्तेमाल करते हैं देखते हैं कितनी लाइक्स आई है कमेंट्स आई है Which of these is a strong password? The correct option is C. Which symbol is used in the email address? The correct answer is C. Wi-Fi is a wireless connection. File transfer between computers is called file sharing. PDF files can be viewed using Adobe Reader. Which one is an email client? Outlook. Which device used to scan documents? Scanner. Hardware is physical parts. Mouse is connected through USB port. Mouse is connected through गाइस ये तो अब रिपीट क्वेश्चन हो गया है ये आपको बताना है मोस्ट कॉमन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम Windows. Windows 10 is developed by Microsoft. Keyboard shortcut key for select all. Control plus A. The smallest unit of memory. Bit. The full form of KB is kilobyte. Shortcut to open new tab in browser. Control T. Which key is used to delete a character to left of the cursor? Backspace. The storage capacity of a CD is 700 MB, which is a programming language. Python. The brain of the computer is CPU. Shortcut key to paste is Control plus V. A collection of related web pages is called website. MS Word file is saved with extension .doc. The default alignment in MS Word is left. Which function calculates sum in Excel? The correct answer is C. To create a presentation, you use PowerPoint. Which file extension is used in Excel? The correct answer is C. Bold text shortcut key in MS Word. Control plus B. In Excel, rows are identified by numbers. In PowerPoint, slides are used to present data. Shortcut key for saving a file. Control plus S. You can insert pictures in ये आपको बताना है कमेंट में लाजमी. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.